Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube channel link into your Instagram bio. Right, so how do you do that? Just simply go ahead and click on your profile on the lower right hand side, and then you want to click on edit profile. Now once you do that, you have the section that says links. Now if I click on that, you realize I have one link already, but you also have the option to add another external link if you so desire. So we're going to do that as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up YouTube, for example, and I'm going to simply search for Drew Tutorial Mobile, right? Because there's two channels that we have here. Then you can either open up the channel and get the link, or you can click the three dots here from here, and you can click on share, and you can copy the link to the channel. Very easy, very simple. Now head over back to Instagram, click on add external link, put in the URL here. Then you can simply type in a title if you so desire. I'm going to simply type in one. So as you can see that I write Drew Tutorial for mobile. Then I'm going to simply click on the stick mark on the upper right hand side to save it. And as you can see, there's a second one added there. So I'm going to simply click back. There's no reason to save anything here. It's already done. And that's all there is to it, guys. So if somebody should simply click on your profile, then they will be able to see both of those links once they check your profile. And as you can see here, it says one more. And if you click on that, you see that there are two links, right? Very easy and very simple, guys. And that's how you basically add your YouTube channel links to your Instagram bio. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time. Very easy and very simple, guys.